Hello everyone! Today, we gather to celebrate a remarkable occasion, Teachers' Day, a day dedicated to honoring the individuals who shape our minds and futures. Teachers' Day began as a way to acknowledge the hard work and dedication of educators. Different countries celebrate it on various dates, but the essence remains the same: gratitude and respect for teachers. In Taiwan, Teachers' Day is celebrated on September 28th, coinciding with the birthday of Confucius, a revered figure in education. Teachers do more than just teach. They inspire, guide, and motivate us to reach our full potential. They instill values and shape our character, giving us courage in difficult times and celebrating our progress, even when it is slow. From helping us understand complex subjects to providing emotional support, their contributions are invaluable. Every lesson learned is a stepping stone toward our future success. I would like to share a personal anecdote about a teacher who made a significant impact on my life. When I was in middle school, I struggled greatly with English writing. One semester, my teacher discovered that I lacked confidence and rarely spoke during class discussions. Instead of criticizing me, she used positive encouragement, praising my small achievements and giving me constructive feedback on my essays. One day, she read my writing aloud in front of the class and told everyone how much potential she saw in me. That moment awakened a new sense of self-belief. Whenever I felt discouraged, her words reminded me to keep going and never give up. Thanks to her patience and trust, I gradually learned to express myself without fear. Looking back, it is clear that her subtle influence changed the way I viewed myself and inspired my lifelong love for learning. On this special day, let's think about how we can show our appreciation. It could be as simple as writing a heartfelt note, giving a small gift, or even just saying thank you. Let's also remember to embrace the qualities they teach us: patience, kindness, and curiosity, by applying them in our lives. So, whether you're a student or a parent, take a moment to acknowledge the dedication of teachers everywhere. They deserve our respect and appreciation not just today, but every day. Thank you for joining me in celebrating Teachers' Day. Let's continue to support and uplift our amazing educators.